All right, guys. We are pretty much just picking up off where I left off at. Right now, I'm just gonna drive out to Gatlinburg, or I guess you could say on the spur. I'm gonna go through Pigeon Forge, so we'll be able to see some cool nightlife-ish-esque lights, I guess you could say. Not much open, especially right now. It's about 3 a.m. It's dead in the town. It is dead. Nobody out here. I can already hear the birds chirping. Bad part about being out this late, the good part about it is that nobody else on the road. You don't have to worry about traffic or anything like that, but you're the only person on the road, more than likely with a car that sounds like this or something like this, right? So it makes yourself a little bit more of a target. I already think I see a cop behind me now, which is crazy. I guarantee it. Whoa. Okay, cool. Sweet. Like I said, small town, a lot of cops, you know? This is how things go around here. But I think we'll be able to make it to the tunnel, no problem. Be good. We're not doing anything too crazy anyways. I'm not being loud right now or nothing. I don't have to worry about emission laws or anything like that, so I'm not worried about getting pulled over for the sound. It's more of just we're super tinted out, the sound. All right, sorry about that right there. Had some technical difficulties. Hard to play a video when, or not hard to play a video. Hard to fucking, I don't even know. I can't speak right now. Sorry, iPhone ran out of storage, hard to record videos. That's what I meant to say. Alrighty. Now we're gonna go back on track. You don't get to see this this part of town like this, dead like this very often, I'll say that. I live in a tourist town, so it's pretty much busy year-round, busy throughout the day, and then not much of a nightlife. I'd say around 12 o'clock everything closes, so not really much to do around here after that. I don't know what you'd be doing. Ooh, getting excited here at the AC. Just trying to put it on so the window will defrost a little bit. Facing my way and one facing the opposite way. If you get pulled over in Pigeon Forge, good luck, man. Good luck. I have nothing to say because I don't know what they could say. Pigeon Forge is a little bit more harder to get out of stuff. It's a little bit more stricter and stuff like that. So really just a good area to not do anything crazy ever. The road we're driving right now, I'm driving on, is usually where rod runs will happen at and stuff like that. This is the strip, so usually whenever it's rod run times, because this is the last year you'll be able to come over here on the strip and be able to sell your muscle car or whatever type of car you have. But it's pretty cool, super cool, especially when this is all packed. There's a bunch of different people out here, stuff like that. Cool cars, cool people, cool interactions. It's all pretty cool. Coming to the end of Pigeon Forge, about to hit the spur. I say we're probably about 10 minutes out from that tunnel, so we'll see you at the tunnel. That was a pull right there. Cool little back road, I definitely say, going through the mountains. In the daytime, it's so beautiful. Just the trees, the mountains, the greens, the flowers, especially this time of year, everything's coming out, so just a really cool drive. This is, you pretty much, depending on where you're coming from, but if you're going to Gatlinburg, this is the way that you would come right here. You'd have to come through here, which I wouldn't be mad about at all. What's cool about driving at night is that when it's like this, nobody on the road, you just get to think clearly. Don't have to worry about making too many decisions. Night drives are not too bad. I think it's about 3:30, maybe 4, something like that. I'm not too sure. I'm gonna go up here and do a little U-turn. If I ever post any videos and you hear any scraping, I wouldn't worry too much about it, because I don't. And I know that it's just my mud guard, so not too much to worry about here. Alright, we are about to get to the tunnel. So let's go check this out. tunnel here, what we've been waiting for. Well, that was a little spicy right there. Not too bad. Gonna be tiptoeing all the way back into town, I know that for sure. I've been wanting to come out here for a while. I don't know. I didn't know if people wanted content where I didn't speak and just wanted to watch me drive. I didn't know if people wanted me to speak while I drive. I don't know. I have no clue. This is all, I'm just trying everything out as I think of it on the fly, stuff like that. So, I don't know. I hope you guys just appreciate the time and I guess beginner effort that I put into all this, these videos and stuff like that. Because, yeah, I don't know. I have a passion for cars and I have a passion for taking care of cars and treating them right. So, yeah. I don't know. I guess I'm just yapping right now. Blood is yapping right now for sure. For those of you who don't get that, blood is like B-L-U-D. Like UK blood, you know what I mean? Oi, blood, you know what I mean? Like that. That's what I mean when I say that. But yeah, I'll pass those two cops up here in a little bit. I'm sure they're still, both of them are probably still holding hands on the right side of the road. Oh, we got somebody coming behind me now. Ooh, interesting. All right, well, I'll cut back here in a minute when we're in town again. All right, and we are back in town. Not too bad at all. I'm gonna start doing nighttime videos more often. This is not too bad at all. Not too bad at all. It's hard to time it at night because I feel like I'm either gonna see a bunch of cops out on the road or I'm gonna see no cops. So I just don't know. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. What I think of and stuff like that. But yeah, I think we'll end the video here and we'll just look at that. As I say, we're about to end the video here. One of those cops. Ooh, looks spicy right there. That looks spicy. Only about, what is that? 5? Only 5? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3. Only 3. Of course. Oh, 2 pulling over the Ford Explorer look-alike. I see what's going on here. Alright, well, enough of the shenanigans. I'll let you go. Hope you guys have a good day and enjoy the video, and yeah, hope you guys have a good what is this, Monday? Is this Monday now? I hope you guys have a good Monday or whenever you're watching this video. But I know it'll probably be released on a Monday, so that'll probably make more sense. But yeah, enjoy the video, have a good day, be safe, thank you. See if we can do a small pull here. Even though I know we shouldn't. Oh my god. Golly. Slow down a little bit. Slow down. Get in the higher right, and we are back safely, soundly. Nothing crazy going on, nothing insane. This right here, though, you guys may like. Look at that. Yes, sir. That's how you know this has been taken care of. That's how you know she be taken care of. Oh yes. If you guys have any comments or questions or anything like that, leave that down there below in the comment section. You already know. And besides that, thank you for watching, and I am out.